For decades, artificial intelligence has been chasing the dream of matching human intelligence. But in 2025, just how close are we? Can AI truly think, learn, and create like humans? Or is there still a massive gap between man and machine? AI has come a long way, from beating humans in chess to writing code, composing music, and even diagnosing diseases. With models like ChatGPT-4 and AlphaCode, AI is now performing tasks once thought impossible. But does this mean it's catching up to human intelligence? AI excels at processing vast amounts of data, recognizing patterns, and automating tasks at lightning speed. But human intelligence is more than just computation. It's about creativity, emotions, reasoning, and adaptability. While AI can generate art, it still lacks true original thought and consciousness. Scientists are working towards artificial general intelligence, or AGI, a system that can think, reason, and learn like a human. Some experts believe we're decades away, while others warn it could happen sooner than expected. But would AGI truly be human intelligence, or just an advanced imitation? Even with all these advancements, AI still struggles with bias, ethics, and understanding the world beyond data. Can AI ever truly feel emotions or make ethical decisions like humans do? And if it does, will it be a breakthrough or a potential risk? So will AI surpass human intelligence? For now, AI remains a powerful tool, but it lacks the depth of human thought. The future isn't about AI replacing us, it's about how we work together. One thing is clear, AI is changing the world, but human intelligence, that's still the most powerful force on the planet. What do you think? Will AI ever match human intelligence? Drop a comment below and let's discuss. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more AI insights.